What's up, guys? Welcome to EdBoy Educates, where I show content creators how to improve. Today, we're going to be showing a content creator by the name of Logan how to turn his long-form horizontal video into a short-form masterpiece. So his video is titled, Why the Mammoth Pistol is the Best. I'll show you how we might rework that title later on, but what I'm doing is I'm going to take this long-form video, putting it into Capcut, and I'm going to make a couple notes. The music, it's too loud, it's kind of disrupting. I think it's taking away from the actual gameplay. Once he gets the shot done, over half of his clip is wasted space, and what I think would tank this video is a lack of retention, because once he delivers on the video of like why the Mammoth Pistol is the best, nothing's happening, right? And so if this is going to be a 10-second video, 20-second video, 30 seconds, honestly, I think this short form video should be 20 to 30 seconds. But what we're going to do is once this is on the timeline, we're going to go over to ratio here, 9:16, and we're going to take Alt, our finger, put it on Alt. You can copy and paste this as well. I'm going to get rid of the audio here by just clicking and dragging down that little line, and I'm going to do it a third time. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, go up here with our cursor, drag it out. Now we're going to go to Effects. We're going to go to Blur. Right here, I'm going to click plus. Drag this over so it encompasses the whole clip. Drag this down. Boom. Now that kind of creates a blur effect. On the right-hand side, which you can't see by my face, you can make this higher or lower intensity. We're going to click on the second one. And actually, since he doesn't have a face cam, we can just delete the third one. We're going to make this right here. Now, I am working with the clip that he has provided. I might start it right here. This is too much time. This is too much time before delivering on what happens. So I'm going to click and drag this. So I've copied the whole thing. Delete to the left. Delivery, dead. Let's go ahead and delete to the right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to text. Add text. Let's type in here. I'm going to think of a captivating title here for the text, because he's not doing an audio dub over it for the intro or the hook. So this right here, best gun in the game. Is that going to be enough to captivate people? I don't know. You're going to have to test it. Let's go ahead and boom, right here. Now what I might do is, let's see. So this is right at your eyesight, right? Sometimes you can put this in the center. You can put it right here. This is kind of like right where your eyes would be, but I'm just kind of covering where his text was. That's kind of enough time for him to read it, so I'm going to subtract it. This is a much better use of the clip that he posted. Short form videos, even though it can tank your long form, if your goal is to get subscribers, whatever your hook is, you want to immediately deliver. And now this is about a 4-second clip. What I personally would have did is I would have gamed a little bit longer to get more Mammoth Pistol kills, because YouTube does appreciate retention. And I think if the hook is good enough and you test it, it'll keep people, 20, 30 seconds, and that'll be better for your video. But other than that, I'll just remove the music. I think it's too distracting from the clip. It might cause people to just swipe off of it. But yeah, Logan, if you're seeing this, buddy, maybe turn your 10 to 30 second clips into short form videos, post it as a short, put some sort of captivating text on the screen, test it, see if that does well, and go from there.